Investing in a blazer offers unparalleled versatility. A single blazer can be matched with various fabrics like denim, sweaters, t-shirts, and shirts, creating multiple outfits for different seasons and occasions. Choose the blazer that fits you perfectly and get ready to make a bold fashion statement with your newfound sense of style. Cape blazer. Cape blazers, though less trendy now, offer a dramatic look that can keep the chill away and make a superhero-like entrance at formal events. Double-breasted blazer. Double-breasted blazers with their wide lapels and military-inspired design are perfect for making a powerful and confident fashion statement. Lace blazer. Lace blazers soften the lines of traditional jackets, adding elegance and a feminine touch, making them ideal for those who want a graceful look at formal events. Plaid blazer. Plaid blazers, once the domain of Highland clans and lumberjacks, are now a fashionista favorite. They can highlight accessories and draw attention, adding a unique touch to any outfit. Beige blazer. Beige blazers offer a professional look without being too stark, making them suitable for workplaces that require a more subdued appearance. They balance and tone down outfits effectively. Black formal blazer. Black formal blazers add a touch of formality to casual outfits, making them perfect for business casual environments where t-shirts and jeans are common. Leather blazer. Leather blazers provide the edgy look of leather jackets without the biker gang connotations. They are durable, comfortable, and versatile, pairing well with a variety of outfits.